What's up? It's Little Reg. You're now watching 2 Minutes and Some Change.
Yeah, we all gotta find that peace. You know what I'm saying? This goes out to Jaleesa Reed, Trayvon Martin. The time is right, the rhyme is right for the rest of my life. Focused insight will be about the preservation of life in Christ. The word feed my appetite to keep me pushing what's right in the contradictive life.
What's up, y'all? This is Vigilante, the hip-hopologist for ReasonForRhymes.com. That's ReasonForRhymes.com. Don't forget to add the S behind rhymes. And this also is 2 Minutes and Some Change. Check it out, y'all. Tag Wormy. It was a great debate anyway that happened a couple days ago. But Tag Wormy said he felt like he wanted to swing on Obama. Swing on Obama? Tag? You'll get tagged. Don't make the Negro come out of Obama. So y'all trying to make the Negro come out of Obama. Keep pushing. Ain't gonna say, forget about this bull crap. All right? Keep on. You gonna get this work. You gonna get this work. Don't make him low deluxe you. All right now. Come on, Tag, with that bull, man. Come on with that, man. You get a smack for that. And also, 50 Cent. Yo, man, I know you're competitive, man. That's what rap is, man. I male bravado and all that good stuff, man. I saw you talking about and taking another shot at Rick Ross. You know, you saying people are bombing to cop music and stuff like that, man. Let that go, bro. That's gone, man. Make good music, man. Yeah, man, you're a good artist, man. For real talk. You know, you got a lot of things going on right now, man. I know it's the male ego, lyrical, because I'm an MC myself. I understand that, man. But let that go, man. Also, you said you're kind of disappointed in new artists. I am too, in some way. But not about when they talk about they got one car and it ain't paid for yet. We all been there before at 50 Cent. You have too. So let's not forget where we come from, and let's get to understanding what life is really about, man. You're blessed, man. You got shot 9 times. People left you for dead, but you came back, man. That's the grace of God, bro. It's the grace of God. So continue doing your thing, man, but you don't have to look down when you're already up. Get it? All right. Also, I want to talk about black on black crime. I always got to talk about this. I'm sick of seeing young people die. We're dying over music. We're dying over Twitter beef, Facebook beef. We're dying at the club. People dying over swag, guns. Come on, man. This is not the way the leaders of the 60s envisioned us to be right now in 2012. There's too many violence going on in the urban core. We got to wake up. And all the positive people, we need to make a stand right now. Stand right now. And we got to stop this, y'all. We got to start making it a village again. If a young man don't have no father, then we got to be fathers. If a young daughter don't have no mother, then we got to find mothers that can fill that void, y'all. If not, we're going to lose a generation, y'all. That's what the change is about in this 2 minutes that I'm giving you, is that we got to change, y'all. We got to stop killing each other. We got to stop the violence. And we got to stop promoting so much violence. And we wonder why our kids are immune to death and immune to guns. They're playing video games every day with the blood of Mortal Kombat and other games. It's in their face where it don't matter to them anymore. We got to bring values back, y'all. And that's Vigilante. I think my time is up. It's 2 minutes and some change, and I'm out.
Yeah, we all gotta find that peace. You know what I'm saying? This goes out to Jaleesa Reed, Trayvon Martin. The time is right, the rhyme is right for the rest of my life. Focused insight will be about the preservation of life in Christ. The word feed my appetite to keep me pushing what's right in the contradictive life.